Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video we're going to kick off our month-long series on the Linux operating system with an introduction to Linux. We'll start off with a high-level introduction to this open source operating system. Let's go ahead and get started. Linux is a powerful open source operating system used in various devices. This guide covers its history, features, and benefits for both individuals and businesses. Linux is an operating system that bridges hardware and applications. It's open source and it allows free access to its code. At its core, the Linux kernel manages system resources. Linux, created by Linus Torvalds in 1991, was inspired by Unix. Open source collaboration among developers worldwide led to its rapid growth and success. Linux offers endless options, from lightweight distributions for older hardware to feature-rich desktop environments. You can choose from various desktops like GNOME, KDE, and XFCE to personalize your experience. Linux is known for its reliability, powering most internet servers due to its uptime and stability. It's also efficient, running smoothly even on older hardware. Linux is advantageous for development due to its native tools, including pre-installed programming languages, compilers, and debugging tools. Additionally, its open source ecosystem offers a wide range of development environments and libraries. Linux offers several advantages such as no licensing fees, transparency, minimal malware, regular updates, a strong community, and continuous innovation. Linux distributions cater to various user groups. Beginners can use user-friendly distributions like Ubuntu and Linux Mint. Developers find it ideal for coding, testing, and deploying software. Businesses benefit from secure, stable, and cost-effective solutions. Tech enthusiasts enjoy exploring and experimenting with technology. Let's explore some popular Linux distributions. Ubuntu is a beginner-friendly and widely supported. Fedora offers the latest features and technologies. Linux Mint is designed for ease of use and familiarity for Windows users. Debian is known for its stability and reliability, and CentOS/RHEL is popular in enterprise environments. In summary, Linux is a movement that promotes freedom, innovation, and collaboration. It offers unmatched security, flexibility, and strong community support, making it a reliable and customizable choice for both beginners and tech experts alike. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it's given you a solid view of Linux. Please look for the remainder of the videos in this series. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. That's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.